Welcome to this Fundamentals Lesson Plan series on walls, layout, design, and editing. In this video, we'll take a look at wall trim tools. This is video 5 of 6. My name is John Harridge, and I'll be your host for today's lesson. Let's look at the learning objectives for video 5. In this lesson, you will be able to trim two walls to form a corner, extend a wall to another wall boundary. So these are common techniques that we use to iterate on a floor plan development. With that, let's begin. Let's begin the exercise by opening up an existing exercise file. Go ahead and click Open, and then browse to your tutorial directory. And let's open up the Walls 05 exercise file and click Open. So the purpose of this tutorial is to create two internal rooms to the current floor plan, and we'll take a look at creating a corner condition first for the first room, and then we'll extend one of those walls to an existing boundary as the second operation. So with that, let's go to the Architectural tab, start the Wall tool, and in your type selector, go ahead and choose the interior 6 1/8 inch wall type. All right, move the cursor into the canvas window. Go ahead and acquire the midpoint snap at this wall location here. Left click to begin the wall segment. Drag the cursor up part way. Go ahead and left click to set the endpoint for that first wall. Moving on to the second wall creation, go ahead and find the midpoint snap along that vertical wall. Left click to begin. Drag your cursor just past the first wall created and left click to end the wall location at this location. All right, so we want to clean up that condition to create a corner. So we go to the Modify tool and choose the Trim to Corner command. And the idea is to pick the points that we want to remain, if you will. So we pick one wall, and you saw a pre-highlight in green showing you the kind of the path, and then you select the second wall. Please hit the escape key twice to end that trim tool. Let's take a look at the next scenario. We want to extend that horizontal wall to this vertical wall that's currently highlighted on screen. So to perform this, let's go to the Modify tab and choose the Trim to Extend Single Element command. Place your cursor in the canvas window. We want to establish the boundary condition first to project to, so we left click to select the right edge of that vertical wall, and then move our cursor to the action object, which is the horizontal wall, and left click to project it to that vertical wall. Go ahead and hit the escape key twice to end that particular trim command. And let's go ahead and save the file now. Do a save as project. And let's go ahead and name it Walls 05 Exercise Finished and click Save when you're done. This concludes this exercise. Let's go ahead and take a look at next steps. Let's review the learning objectives for this video. We were able to explore two trim techniques with walls. One, to create a corner condition from two walls using the Trim to Extend command. And in the second instance, we were able to project one wall to another wall as a boundary condition. With that, let's take a look at Autodesk resources that are available to you. I would like to make you aware of two specific Autodesk resources. The first one being the Autodesk Education Community, where you can access free software for both students and educators, and that can be located at www.students.autodesk.com. It does require registration, and you can use either your own personal email address or a school-issued email address. The second resource is the Autodesk Digital STEAM Workshop. It's hands-on, project-based learning across multiple industries such as architecture, engineering, gaming, and animation. And those resources are located at www.digitalsteam.autodesk.com. This concludes this exercise. Thank you very much for watching.